can see where the problem was in this corner, so it's not really as bad as we thought. But when you're patching it can take ages, you might as well just make a new floor pan and weld it in. So, see how we go anyway, you get back here.
There we are, look, that's cut out. I've got the right edges down and give it some zinc primer. The one we're making, the others down the bottom of the garage. I'll see you in a sec. This is the floor pan piece. The trouble we haven't got a tool that puts these flutes in, so we've had to manually manipulate it. We tried to put it on the metal bender, but there's too many bends in it. So what we had to do, end up doing, it was one piece, so we cut it down the middle, bent it, and now we're welding it back up again. So these flutes give it very good strength. So yeah, they're back in a minute anyway. Here we are, look, that's ready for the next stage. I'm just got to bend this end down, mark it and cut it. Careful with that, you know what that's for. That back piece has gone in just nice. What I did was score it, mark it straight across the lines each end, and then put a ruler across and join them, and then took it off and cut them. And then it just seems to fit in just nice. But this wants a bit more work, and then we can get welded. Cross member's good, so once we've got all this good. Just one part that's bothering me, and you can see it. I don't know whether that plate's been put on secondary. If it has, then basically, I think it's had a new inner sill in. Basically, I've got to take that off and do another piece for it. It's where the handbrake capture goes to here. The handbrake arter is orbited there, the cable goes straight to it, hence the cutout. So we're going to a bit, well, catch them while we're doing some welding anyway, so see you in a bit. Here we are, 8 o'clock at night. A little bit more done. Now I'm going in for a Guinness and probably a pizza. So, when you see me again, it'll be in a couple of seconds.